You've heard of kangaroo courts. But have you ever heard of pigs being put on trial? No, not metaphorically. We're talking actual medieval trials, with judges, with lawyers, and sometimes, even costumes. From the 13th to the 18th century, if a pig bit a child in Europe, it could be arrested and hauled before a judge. The pig would get a full trial, with a lawyer and all. It didn't stop at pigs. Rats were sued for eating crops. Insects were excommunicated by the church. A rooster was once burned at the stake for laying an egg, a supposed sign of witchcraft. The legal process was surprisingly legit. Step 1. The animal was arrested, sometimes jailed. Step 2. A trial date was set. Step 3. A defense lawyer was assigned. Yes, someone defended goats. Step 4. A judge, often a bishop, presided over the case. Over 200 documented animal trials took place. This wasn't a fluke, this was policy. Let's meet some of history's weirdest defendants. The Pig of Falaise in 1386. Killed a baby. Tried. Dressed. Hanged in public. The Rats of Autun in 1510. Summoned to court for grain theft. Their lawyer claimed they were absent out of fear, because cats. The judge accepted it. Weevils and locusts. Excommunicated. Yep, the church literally kicked bugs out of Christian fields. It sounds like a Monty Python sketch. But back then, it made perfect sense. In medieval Europe, animals were seen as part of God's creation and subject to divine law. If they broke it, they were judged like anyone else. And punishment wasn't just justice, it was ritual. A way to restore order, cleanse evil, and remind the public that even a goat wasn't above the law. Strangely enough, animals had more legal representation than some peasants. As the Age of Reason swept across Europe, science and rationalism started replacing superstition. By the 1700s, animal trials faded into history. But they left behind a strange legacy. One that reminds us that justice has always been more than just rules, it's about belief, fear, and the performance of order. Today, we don't put goats on trial, but we're still debating the legal rights of animals. Should a chimp have a lawyer? Can an elephant sue a zoo? Do animals deserve legal personhood? Those old pig trials might seem absurd, but maybe they were the beginning of something we're still figuring out. If pigs could face a judge in medieval France, maybe it's not so strange that today we're asking deeper questions about animal rights, justice, and power. Because in the end, history isn't just about what happened. It's about what we thought made sense at the time.